2, 1. I have this instruction book to make the walking robot. Let's start. This is what I'm gonna make. Here is our body piece. These are leg pieces. Here is the body panel. I have motor along with battery. These are the paper arms. These are the paper links. These are clear stickers. These are cranks. These are rods. These are bolts. This is battery pack. This is battery double. This is gears. This is brads. This is clear stickers, foam squares. I have shown you all the materials I have. Now let's begin. First step, I have to punch on these holes. I take this, then I put it on like this. Then I take this part, then I put it over here. Here. Then I take a sticky foam and I take them out. I have stick foams here, and I'm gonna stick the sticky foams right in this square and in this square and this square and this square. Now I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna take a clear sticker, then put them all around here. There are two over here and here. I'm gonna take dowel and I'm gonna put it inside here. Then I'm taking these two pieces, then I'm putting it inside here. I think if I spin this, it would work. I'm gonna take this battery and I'm gonna put it inside here. I'm going to stick the battery on the body right here, like that. I have to stick this thing over here and I did it. I'm taking the black wire and I'm taking the battery black wire and connecting it together. Taking the walking robot's arm, then I'm taking this paper arm, then I'm taking this shiny thing, then I'm putting it on this hole. Let's make the other hand. Now let's make robot's legs. This. First I'm taking this and I'm taking these two pieces. Two of these. And I'm connecting them like that. Then I'm taking two of these red pieces. Then I'm connecting them. Next I'm putting this robot's arm right here. That. We have to fix robot's face. Because he doesn't even have a face at him. Look. It doesn't even look like a robot. the robo. Now let's make it work.